Okay, this is my Roomba. It's a model 4110, and I've cleaned the wheels out. It was a hand-me-down. There was a lot of cat hair in there, but I've cleaned them out, and it still does exactly the same thing. So here's clean. And it will continue to do that until it plays the uh-oh followed by the wheel stuck sound. Now, if you just try and move forward, here's what happens. Finger is still on the button. And it refuses to go any farther. Let's try docking. There's the dock, there's the Roomba. Yeah, so it can't even dock, even if the dock is directly in front of it and within about 1.5 feet. So, that's that.